we're going to continue here from my previous drawing. So this is part 2, where I'm continuing this facial drawing of my superhero or character that I've actually drawn this character before, but I just kind of like the different positions and in this particular character, and I really enjoy drawing this character here. So as I'm adding in these hair structures, there are quite a few different lines or curved lines to be added in here. So one good tip I would advise or recommend for beginners or maybe even intermediate level artists who are into these type of drawings is, or any other kind of drawing that you decide to do, is don't be afraid to take your drawing pad, turn it into different positions to get your drawing hand a little bit more comfortable when tackling like very tight spots to get at. Kind of learned that as I started, getting a little bit more heavy detail type drawings. So this is just a good tip for you. Remember to, again, and I always say this, is remember to sketch your lines, especially when you're dealing with a lot of different lines with the hair, because you never know what you're gonna run into or have to face to get that line 100% to where it's just perfect and lays into the overall hair structure of your character's overall hair design. Darken in your lines as you go along and feel confident to move on to the next section for your hair. Me, myself, I kind of like to jump in different areas, as you can see as I'm doing this drawing here, to help bring out a bit more of the overall result of the actual character's facial area, or the head, I would say. So you can see I'm doing the hair, so as I'm doing the hair, I start to get more of a visual of what the end result is going to be as I'm going through this drawing. Another good tip I would advise or recommend for beginners, mostly for beginners, is you can see I've got an extra sheet of drawing paper here. And that is for when I am drawing, I use my drawing hand to place on top of this extra sheet of drawing paper to cover parts or areas of my drawing that I've already completed. Now this helps prevent smudging over completed areas of your drawing and saves time in the end to where you don't have to do as much cleaning up. So just a good tip for you all beginners, if you're wondering about that extra sheet of paper that I have there in front of you. So yeah, I do like to do character drawings. This is the type of drawings that I actually started doing, superhero drawings. Was a big fan of Superman, Spider-Man, Iron Man, those kind of different superheroes as I grew up. And the more you do these kind of drawings, the better you get, the more that you become a master at, and the more that you build your confidence up, really, in just about anything you do in life, I would say. Take your time, take breaks, come back at your drawing with fresh eyes, fresh drawing hand. Sometimes you see things, you have a little bit more clarity when you come back into your drawing with fresh eyes. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Do turn on your post notifications so that you are notified when I do post new videos here. So yeah, just continue to connect the dots. Take away any unnecessary lines after you sketch them. And keep going at it. So until my next drawing or my next video, bye for now.